Hello, welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write permission to conduct research study. What is permission to conduct research study? A permission letter to conduct research is a formal request to obtain permission from an organization or individual to conduct research on a particular topic. This type of letter is commonly used by students, researchers, and scholars who require permission to carry out their research. Permission to conduct the study is a letter granting you permission to conduct research at or via an organization must 1. Be on a company organization letterhead. 2. Be signed, stamped and dated by a named person in that organization. 3. Refer to you, the researcher, by name and/or refer to the title of your project. And 4. Give you permission to do the research. Here, Writing Practices will show you how to write a permission to conduct research study step by step. Check this out. First of all, write the date today. And write the full name of the person you are asking permission from. And write the title or occupation in the organization or school or university. Under it, write the organization or school or university name. Now, you can write the salutation. You write Dear Madam or Dear Sir or Dear Mr., Ms., Mrs., followed by the last name. In the first paragraph, you can write the reason you are writing this permission letter. Write that you request permission to conduct a research study in the reader's institution. And write that you are doing a research and this is a part of professional build-up. After that, write the title of your research study. In this example is impact of question formulation technique in teaching. And write what kind of research it is, for example is quantitative research. In the second paragraph, write your hope that the recipient will give you approval. And write how the research works. You need to mention how many respondents you need for the research. In this example is 40 resonances. And write from which department the correspondence should be. In this example is from Education Department. Besides, you must mention how long the survey take time. In this example is 2 months. And don't forget to mention what activity that you focus on, for example is the teaching techniques. And write more details about the method of the research and survey. You can mention how many pretests they have to take. And mention also the post-test. After that, write more details about the tests and correspondence. There must be consent forms that must be filled by the parents of the students who are willing to participate. Here, you need to mention it. And when and to whom the forms should be returned. Just write details about the technique here so everything is clear in the first place. And the third paragraph, write the maximum period of time that the research study will take. In this example, the quasi-experiment will take less than 4 months. And tell the recipient what will you do with the results of the survey. For example, you may input it into your thesis or something. And write about the privacy of the individual's results. It is a must for you to keep it anonymously and mention it here. And don't forget to mention that this survey worth no costs by the institution and the individual participants. Your thesis must require this statement, so don't forget to mention it. And the last, show how the approval and support to conduct this study is really appreciated. You can then write sincerely and put your signature as well as your full name. Under it, or next to it, write the approval. You need to give blank space for the dean to give signature. And write the full name. Also write the occupation in the institution. So, that's how you write permission request to conduct research study. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.